The orders that come to us are bigger than ever before. We need to deliver faster because our equipment is needed now. And that's a challenge, to deliver so fast and also increase the numbers. We need to automate a lot more. Additive manufacturing is a step on that road towards more automation. Additive manufacturing really offers the opportunity for innovation. Innovation is critical to Saab. AM offers the ability to actually optimize function and innovate, implement new solutions that actually couldn't be built before, but they can be built now. You can create smarter solutions, multifunctional components. What this means for Saab is that we build smarter products, we also lower cost, and Saab becomes more competitive.